Get a little dip in the sauce.
They're good. As long as I don't think about what they are. Alright.
Oh, I'm proud of you for eating it.
Oh my god.
Caramel.
Some kind of brown.
Oh, yeah, that looks delicious.
Oh my lord.
I don't know. I didn't hear.
The restaurant's called
Velvet Taco. Yeah.
Red Velvet Taco.
Yeah.
It's really good. All right. Hang on. Yummy. Okay, Matthew. It's good, huh?
Oh my god, it's so good.
I know. What are we gonna do? Yeah. We gotta wait for our food. Eating at the Red Velvet Taco with my son. Red velvet cake. And a vegan taco made out of cauliflower. Oh my gosh. We're on video. I just want to let you know. This is what I do all the time, Matthew. How are you doing? I am taking some downtime right now. I'm in my little van build. It's kind of hot here in Texas. It's 82, I think. Let's see. In the van it's 81, but I have the two fans. I have that fan right there, and then I have a fan over there above my kitchen counter. And I am in a what is this? Garage where my son and his girlfriend live. And I sleep in my own bed. They have offered to have me stay in their apartment with them, and I did one night, and I told them I'm more comfortable in here. So anyhow, it's midday, and we're all kind of taking a nap, and I'm gonna sit here and watch a movie. I've been watching the second season of Bridgerton, and it's really good. Anyhow, not as good as the first. staying all week, or the past 4 days, at my son's house. I have slept on their couch a couple times, but I find it's more comfortable sleeping in my own bed, which is in my van build. I'm hanging out with Chasity's family, and I guess the family does this big crab feed every Easter. So that's what we're doing today. Alright, so this is the apartment place they live in. It's pretty nice. Yeah. So anyhow, I'm going to get me and Chasity some coffee. I really like that idea. The light is hanging. It's attached to the tree. There's like 2 of them. People drive kind of crazy here. It's kind of like an old neighborhood that they're becoming real hip. But they're like refurbishing this neighborhood, and it's actually very expensive to live here. But there's coffee shops everywhere, fun places to eat, and bikes you can ride. I guess this is a bike trail that's like 30 miles long. I don't know how long. Bikes when you need them. 22 cents per day. Why haven't I done that? Good morning, everybody. It is Easter Sunday, and I'm getting my regular coffee from a place called Coffee Bonds in the Heights. So you can walk everywhere. So of course they go out to eat all the time, and you know, when in when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So every morning I go out for coffee.
Pero tenemos que agarrar bus, mi bus para allá. No.
No comprendo. Aquí, right?
No.
Aquí?
No. My church.
¿Dónde? ¿A qué hora más?
Las 9.
Okay. 9 o'clock?
Sí. No me baja por aquí, sí. Gracias. 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 Tócame más. ¿Entiendes? You understand?
No. Soy bellísima. The lady I just met trying to find the Baptist church. So I'm on the way to Mass, and I needed to help this lady who was looking for the Baptist church. So I Googled where the nearest Baptist church was. So we got to it. We stopped at a Walgreens, and she was so afraid I was taking her to the Catholic church. She wanted to go to the Baptist church. And yeah, it was adorable, and all she wanted was to get on the bus. And she wanted someone to tell the bus driver she's going to the Baptist church. She's gonna be late. Mass started at 9, or their service started at 9, and it's 9:30. Anyhow, she was adorable. for my trip back to Washington, and I'm gonna fill up my my fresh water tank. Walk around. So I had my battery die on me, and I think it was totally my own fault. So now I'm terrified of killing my car battery. But I have Geico's roadside assistance, and they came out right away and jump started my car. I could have asked my son to jump start it, but I'm trying to be independent, so I want the experience of doing things myself. So anyhow, I'm going to be filling my freshwater tank, and I have, let's see, I'll show you what I have. I have this thing here. It's like a funnel.